Hello, my name is Alicia, and I want to thank you for meeting with me today. I'm excited to tell you about a new product line that Dove has available. It's the Dove Body Love products, and I know that your time is very valuable, so I don't want to waste any of your time, so I'm going to jump right in here. Okay, I'm going to give you a few samples here so you can have those. There you are. Okay. One of our top sellers, the Dove Body Love Acne Cleanser. And this cleanser is for the entire body, not just the face, to remove and clear up acne. And it's great. And again, like I said, it's one of our top sellers for teens as well as men and women. And the Dove Body Love line offers more than just the Body Love Acne Cleanser. We have hand cream, body lotion, cream oils, body cleansers, and body butters. Great. We have a lot of products that are available for everyone to take care of all of their personal care and self love needs. And just to give you a little background on our company, Dove, it's a personal care brand that sells products for everyone that has skin. If you have skin, you can use our products. It's for men, women, babies, teens, everyone. And we're under the Unilever family. That's our parent company. They have over 400 brands, and we're one of their number one brands. And I'm proud to say that. And we've been in business for over 60 years. And again, we offer a wide range of products. Our first one was our beauty bar, our moisturizing beauty bar that has a quarter cup of moisturizer in each bar. And a lot of people love that. But this line here has a lot of moisturizing products in it as well. And Dove has more than one line of products. We have the Dove Men Care, which was introduced in 2010. So it's been around for a little while, and Dove Baby Care has been around since 2017. But this new product that we're talking about today, the Dove Body Love, was introduced in 2021, and it's amazing. I want to show you one of our commercials. So we'll go ahead and play that now. See, that's amazing. It's something for everyone. See, the women in the actual ad were different sizes, different ages, just to show that this product is for everyone. And some of the features in this product are the ingredients. We have high-end ingredients. For instance, we have the moringa oil, and that fights against acne and gets rid of dark spots. And the bamboo extract, that's for hydration, and it also locks in moisture while you're in the shower. And as the commercial stated, the hyaluronic serum that reduces wrinkles and it softens the skin, so that can be utilized by everyone. The older generation can utilize it for the wrinkle reduction and the softening of skin, and the younger generation could just utilize it just to keep their skin soft and to keep wrinkles from forming. So it's great, and it has a mild, subtle herbal scent, which is great. It's nothing overpowering. So this it's great. It's a great product all around. And some of the advantages of using this product, and I'm pretty sure that if you were to go ahead and decide to put this product in your store, it will sell very well. It's made with naturally derived gentle skin cleansers. It soothes and nourishes eczema prone skin. So if you have very sensitive skin, you're still able to utilize this line of products. And a bonus for us, with all the other beauty products that are out there and the self-care products, our Dove bottles are made with 100% recycled plastic. We care about the environment. And also, we are PETA certified, cruelty free. We do not test our products on animals. No animals are harmed in any way when our products are being created. So that's also a good thing um, to promote for our products when you sell them in your store. Dove Body Benefits, the Body Love Benefits is softened skin after one use. It formulated for all ages, teenagers, men, women, young adults, and again, it's just great for your skin. You have high end ingredients, but with a cost that's reasonable. The pricing, nothing is over $20. It's locally available, and hopefully, we can add you as a retailer. Right now, we're sold in Walmart, Rite Aid, Walgreens, Target, CVS, and online. So you will be in great company with some large companies that sell our products. And it's a great quality product, if I may say so. We have a very large social media presence, and this is how we do most of our marketing and advertising on social media. Um, we have 27 million followers on Facebook, 194,000 followers on Twitter, and 786,000 followers on Instagram. Very large platform. So, all of our retailers in the e-commerce, um, they don't have to advertise our product because we take care of that. And a lot of the followers on social media talk about where they purchase our products from, which will be good for your business. If they're talking about the Dove Body Love products and say they purchased it from your store, that will get more people to come to your store to purchase our product as well as other things that you have available in your store. So that would be a win-win situation. And what we want to do is we want to increase male and teenage usage of the Dove Body Love line, and because it promotes self-care, and males and teenagers need self-care as well. And we want to continue with the positive self-image because we are big on self-image. And let's just touch a little bit on our financials. If we go ahead and take a look here, and over the last 7 years, we have steadily increased the amount of money and the value of our brand. In 2022, we had $5,097 million. And that is a lot. And we're looking to increase that for this year in 2023. And you can help us with that by making sure that our product is available in your store. And that's one way that we can go along with our marketing plan to increase our sales by having products in more retail stores and available on online, and just to broaden our target audience. Even though we have a large, extremely large social media presence, we want to increase the amount of men and young men that purchase our products. And for our non-Dove customers, we want to increase brand awareness. And that's when our retailers could come in and promote them as far as sending them, making them very visible in the store and passing out the samples that we make available. And we do use social media as our main marketing avenue, as I stated. And our product is available for all income brackets. If you have a teenager, a high schooler that's working after school, they will be able to afford this product line. None of our products are over $20. So it's very affordable. And for our business plan, we wanted to create a product that is available for everyone, men, women, teenagers, young adults. And we wanted to keep our prices low, even though we're offering high end ingredients. Our prices are on the low end to make it available for everyone to afford. And we are going to be offering discounts to students. They'll be able to find discount codes online on social media, as well as sending out mailings with samples for people to try. And because we want to gain new customers. And hopefully, that's something that you'll be interested in helping us with, is with gaining new customers. Will you commit to doing business with us today and put the Dove Body Love products in your store? Awesome, great. Thank you for that. And welcome to the Dove Body Love family. I'm excited. And what I'm going to do, those samples I gave you, those are for you personally, but I want to provide you with more samples for you to put in your store while we're getting your order together as far as how many of each item that you want. And then your customers could try them samples out, and then you'll get your order in and they'll be able to purchase. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. You have a wonderful day.